Barbara Streisand.
But never want to leave.
They've got the penthouse.
All right.
Exactly.
Big Budah hanging out at our Beehive social club this morning, and this is kind of a athletic group. Is that how you describe it?
Well, I want to show you the banner. Just kind of the idea that I can get from it. It says meet people, have fun.
Okay.
Very simple. Very simple, but yet profound.
Very deep, very philosophical. People and fun.
Yes.
All good.
Now, is there anything that you guys are trying to do right now to kind of put Beehive Social Club on the map? Anything big?
Yeah, on the world map, in fact, we have gotten approved by the Guinness World Records to make an attempt to play the longest kickball game ever played, 72 hours straight of kickball.
Now, you set for that? Do you need people? Do you need more volunteers?
Yeah, we need a few more people. We're still looking for sponsors, so if you're interested in being part of it, go to our website, beehivesports.com, and you can sign up and play 72 hours of kickball.
That's the record. You got to break 72 hours?
The current recognized record is 54 hours, but there's 2 attempts.
So you want to smash it?
We want to smash it.
Okay.
So we're up for 3 days.
Now, aside from all these games, what do you do like during timeouts or like even halftime if there's a flag football game going on?
Yeah, so during our leagues at halftime, we always do kind of a social fun game to get the teams interacting, and one of the favorites is Dizzy Bat Race.
Okay.
So today we have Silas at first base. Silas, wave. In the grid suit.
Okay.
We got the official mascot of Beehive Sports, Julian, the Bee Man.
Okay.
Tennessee, from Tennessee.
From Tennessee.
Yeah, at third base.
TNT,
Exactly.
So the object is they spin around.
They're going to spin 10 times. They're all going to race home. And
Whoever comes here first
wins.
And whoever comes here last
Gets a bat.
I like this club already.
Yeah.
All right, get ready to spin. You call it, Dave.
Okay, on your marks. Get set. Spin.
Oh, look at you. Look at that.
Yeah, the Bee's not the best spinner.
The bee started early this morning.
Oh, yeah.
Some coffee.
7, 8, they go.
He's out.
Here. Tennessee, run home. Home. Be home. What the heck?
What's wrong with the bee? Yeah.
He's last.
I'm sure he did make a stop for us.
Unlike most bees, he doesn't sit
He
honey.
brings the social.
I'm just gonna keep it that way. On top, high five. Okay, whatever. He's dizzy right now. He's dizzy. We got more fun happening. Social Club, make some noise. Beehive Social Club.
Not a busy bee, but